Decisions can make or break a company. That's why it is so important that as a business owner, you need to be making the right decisions for your business. Now, it's easier said than done, we know. It's hard, you have to weigh out all your options before you make decisions. Even big companies can make mistakes by making the wrong decisions. So we've got some top tips to help you make the right decisions for your business. Use evidence when making your decisions. There's no better feeling than knowing that you've got hard evidence when you make that decision. It might not go the way you intended it to, but if you've got some strong evidence to back up why you made that decision, you can at least then make a better decision in the future. We all make decisions, some right and some wrong. If you have a gut feeling about a certain decision, try and find some analytics, statistics to try and back up that gut feeling as to whether it will work or it won't work. Let go of past mistakes. When you make a mistake, you will remember it and you will form a hesitation when it comes to making that decision again. And that can impede your judgment on whether to make that decision again. So letting go of those mistakes is what you need to do. Learn from them, understand why it went wrong, but don't dwell on them, otherwise it will hinder your decision making. Context does change. So if you made a decision during a certain time and it didn't work out, making that same decision at a different time may work out for you. Think about the context of your decisions and practice even when decisions don't even need to be made. You can do this with what if scenarios. You can always say to yourself, what would happen if I did this? What would happen if this didn't work out? By playing devil's advocate, you are preparing yourself for every eventuality that you can think of. So when the decision time does come, you can make the best informed decision. These 3 tips will really help you with your decision making when you need to make some crucial decisions as a business owner. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I've been Becca from Passport to Success, the online platform built by industry experts designed to help, advise, guide and support entrepreneurs and small business owners to success. See you in the next video.